Hello guys, welcome back in Code for Beginners. Today we're gonna see how to get back your office products like Word, Excel, PowerPoint on your desktop again. So this is the video for you guys. Unknowingly, my all office products got uninstalled. I don't know why. I think it's got crashed because of the Skype version Office 2016 which I've installed prior to it. And later that my all office products just got uninstalled from my device. I check a lot of research. I do research on Google, on Stack Overflow and couple of other forums, but still the issues didn't got installed. Later I open the official site of Microsoft Office, and from which I have logged in through my account, and later I've seen the option of install Office. I check my another account which doesn't have the install Office option. I again switch back to the install Office option. There are two options. First one was of download install Office 365 apps, include Outlook, and another was other install options. I click on first option. After it, it has pop-up of we found a problem, on which he have stated that my device have the Skype for Business Basic 2016 downloaded. As I've told you, I've installed it for my purpose, so I just have to delete this, otherwise it will not get installed on this version of Office. So I just have to delete that basic 2016 Office from going back to the command prompt, or just you can go in the start and delete this. I also clicked on for more help, and that page have suggested me to uninstall that version of the Skype so I can install the new version of Office. And the Office has all the Office products that I was in the need, and so yes, I have to delete this Skype. So again I go back to the command prompt, just type command prompt on my PC, and later it just shown. I click on the install program, I then search for the Skype, and I right click on the Skype app and click on the uninstall.
A few moments later.
After a minute or so, it called uninstall from my PC forever. I mean, and my PC just crashed for one or two times between this. It's okay. It's like heavy application. Skype has a heavy application of I think 1 GB, and it's okay. Later, I again restarted my PC and I again searched for the Office, and then I uninstall Office from the official website. And again, as I have installed previously, so I just open my previous one from the downloads. And after a couple of things, it started installing again without any error or pop-up of like Skype one, as it got uninstalled from my PC. So that was a good news. It took couple of 15 minutes for me to get the install in my Office. It's also depend upon your RAM, your processor, and your size of the laptop, and couple of things. So you can see all the Office products like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, PowerPoint, Access has been installing on my device. It will take time. Please be patient because it is very large product. And also you can see Skype at the end. It's okay to install. So I will heavily so there are other options as well to download Office products by giving out the money, but this one is the completely free. You don't have to spend any penny on the in this installing. After complete installing on your PC, you can go on the start button and you can search for the products you need like Word, all your Office products like Word, PowerPoint, Access, Excel, and couple of different things. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So that's all about today's video. I hope this video have helpful for you. If please like this video, and if you're new in this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so as to get tech updates every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. On every Sunday we make like little self-help video, so do subscribe for that for update. See you in the next video.